Hey, kindergarten. I hope you all enjoyed listening to the story, The Indian Paintbrush. And now I thought a fun activity for us to do would be to try to create our own paintbrushes and then use them to paint. So what I have here is just some stuff I found around the classroom. Okay, a balloon, some yarn, pipe cleaners, feathers, pom-poms, a fork, an old toothbrush, okay, a plastic knife, all sorts of stuff. Make sure before you do this, you do ask your grown-up if you can use the things you found. So I'm going to try to make my own paintbrush right now. So I think, let's see, maybe I'll try plastic knife. Again, only if your grown-up say it's okay. And this balloon. Try to put this on here. Maybe I'll use a pipe cleaner. Try to attach it. Hold it on. Twist it around here a few times. Okay. How's that? Wonder if I can paint with it. Let's try another one. How about this fork? Maybe some yarn here. Cut some of this off. And maybe I'll put some feathers on it. Okay. Get some feathers. They kind of look like a paintbrush, right? See if I can tie this on here so they stay. Wrap it around a few times. See if I can tie it. And again, this is a fun activity that your grown-ups can help you with, or if you have any brothers or sisters at home or family visiting, this could be a fun thing to do. There you go. How's that? And then what if I take this old toothbrush? Okay. Maybe I'll use that end of it. And maybe I'll put a little piece of a sponge on the back too. Try a rubber band for this one. If I can rubber band it on there. All right. How's that? So I have a sponge toothbrush, a knife balloon, fork and feathers. I also made, here's just a pencil with a pom-pom that I put a rubber band on. Here's a clothespin with some feathers. All right, let's see how they do. Think any of them will work? I have no idea. That's what makes it fun, right? Here's some glue. Put a little bit of yellow on here. Here's some green. All right. Let's start with this guy. Oh goodness. I think it's gonna be messy. Oh my goodness. Huh. It's kind of pretty. Don't really know what I'm painting. Well, that kind of works. All right, let's try another one. It kind of looks like a big S, huh? How about, let's try this one. Oh, pom-pom. Yellow. That's fun. That one works. Ooh, there we got a little blue in there, huh? Make some green. Cool. See what else? How about this spongy one? Let's try a little bit of green. Ooh, maybe we'll get it on both. There's the little toothbrushy part. Ooh, that one's fun. Let's see. I'll put some. Woohoo. All right. Do you think the balloon will work? I don't know. It's kind of floppy. Let's see. How about we'll do some blue? Blue. Huh. Blue. Maybe put a little bit of green in and a little yellow. What if we mix them all up? Gosh. Ah, that's fun. All right. Let's see what else I made here. Try this one. This is a clothespin and feathers. A little wiggly. Aw. And is that all of them? I think that's all of them. What do you think? All right, I can't wait for you guys to try it. Make sure if you want to make a video about it on Seesaw or send me a picture of what you did, that would be great. Bye-bye.